Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do the forward bay parking. That's the easiest way, very easy to do the forward bay parking. Examiner will take you to the car park and then they will stop you at the beginning, or as soon as you enter the car park they will ask you to stop the car, and then they give you the briefing. They will ask you, we're going to carry on the maneuver called a bay parking forward. I would like you to park the car inside the bay, all four wheels. If there's a base empty on the left and right, both sides, so they will give you a choice, left or right, where you decide. But we're going to do the forward bay parking on the right side, so make sure you pick up the right lane, because the reason is we always drive on the left side of the road. So if we start from the left side, we have nearly a car length gap in between our car and to the base there. So you start the car, do your observation all around, even in the car park as well. Stay close to the left side and then pick the box up. So in this time we're going to pick the box up where is the drain hole cover there. So we go right next opposite to that, and then you can see this reference. So every car will have a reference. For the students, it's reference. They work with the reference. They find it much easier if you give them a reference to work with. So we're going to use this little tape as a reference, and we're going to park the car inside the bay where the drain hole cover is. So what we need to do your observation one more time, and that white line, which is the bottom line of the bay we're going into, should be parallel to this tape here. So we go forward. If we can't figure out how to do it, just put your hand just on the tape or your reference, whichever the reference is, and see if your hand is touching the white line. So here my hand is touch the white line, so first gear is already there. Full turn to the right, doing observation all around, and then what I teach my student to put the window down and put your head close to the window so you can see the white line all the way through. Just making sure one more time no one's coming, and then more slower you are, more better the turn would be. So we're slowly going inside the box. My eyes on this all the way through on this white line, because I'm having this white line is a reference for me at the moment, so I'm going to make sure this white line gets straighter. So quick look again, no one's coming, so I'll carry on. As soon as I see the white lines getting straight, which is just about here, I will take the turn out, quick look again all the way, and then drive in. So when we drive in, how do we know that we're inside the box? This frame of my wing mirror should be touching over the curb, which is front of me now. So the bottom frame of the wing mirror should be over the curb. It means my car is perfectly inside. Or I can use my wing mirror, looking at the wing mirror, front door handle should be touching the line on the back, and I can stop the car here. Handbrake up, and there we go. So the parking is here. I got about 5 inches gap on this side, and I can see my wing mirror there, and I can see that same gap there as well. So yeah, that's my parking there. So it's perfect parking. I can open the door and show you there, but probably I think you might be able to see it. So that's how you park the car.